Alpha. Be yourself. Meet UVMask, the next generation reusable mask with powerful UVC sterilization technology that protects you from 99.99% of all dust, pollution, and airborne pathogens. All the air you breathe is sent through UM's patented sterile vortex. The ultra-high-intensity UVC light instantly purifies and sterilizes the air 10 times faster than you can breathe. The first layer of protection is a replaceable air filter that blocks 95% of all particles larger than 0.3 microns, the same degree of protection as a N95 mask. The high-performance air filter provides excellent protection against pollution, smoke, and pollen, as well as particles released by sanding, painting, drywall, and fiberglass installation, woodwork, and gardening. While airborne pathogens smaller than 0.3 microns aren't efficiently blocked by any mask passive filter, UM's active UVC light neutralizes the ones that make it through, bringing total filtration efficiency to 99.99%. As pathogens pass through this sterile vortex, the UVC light breaks down their genetic material, neutralizing their ability to reproduce or transmit, ensuring real-time protection anywhere you go. Any air you breathe out is also sterilized, protecting the people around you. UVMask medical-grade ergonomic silicone inner layer is soft against the skin. Wear it comfortably, however you choose, with its flexible strap styles. UVMask creates a secure, airtight chamber that sits around your nose and mouth, making breathing easy, unlike traditional masks. Breathing air is natural. Breathing clean air is essential. Back UVMask today and enjoy breathing in public again.
More than 40% of our lives are spent in habit. For most of us, that time is wasted. The secret to transformation is not to try harder. It's to replace bad habits with the habits of excellence. If you wanted to transform yourself, how would you start? First, identify the habits that hold you back. Pair them with a negative stimulus, like electric shock. Each surge of voltage trains your brain and weakens the neural connection until the bad habit is severed. Next, replace the bad habit with a positive one. Reward yourself when you complete your daily goal. Commit to a penalty if you fail. The fear of loss stimulates your basal ganglia, while the chance of reward motivates your prefrontal cortex. In fewer than 30 days, the action becomes a habit. Pavlok is the first system designed to help you build good habits and break bad ones. Earn rewards when you succeed, pay the price when you fail, and experience the electric shock that keeps you on track.
guys, my name's Peter Goodwin. I'm the owner here at Groove Life. Thank you for checking out our Amazon page. I want to tell you a little bit about why groove rings are different and why you should think twice before you grab that 10-pack for 10 bucks. So as you can see, we have a lot of options to choose from. But before we get into that, let's talk about what you need to know. So my background is a hunting and fishing guide in Alaska, and I needed a ring that actually breathed. So we made Groove to have inner air channels that allow air in and moisture out. That's the biggest difference between us and everybody else. We also contoured the underside so it allows less contact with your skin, and we back it by a lifetime warranty. We get a lot of questions on Amazon whether our lifetime warranty applies, and absolutely 100% yes. So the next big obstacle with buying anything online that you wear is sizing. We've made that super easy. Typically, there are 3 ways to size your finger. On Amazon, let's stick to 1. Step 1, simply cut a strip of paper about 2 inches long and 1 inch wide. Step 2, tightly wrap it around your finger. Step 3, draw a line where the paper sides meet. Step 4, measure the distance between the lines that you just marked. Take that measurement and apply it to the measuring guide below to find your perfect size. Okay guys, now that you found your size, it's time to pick your ring. Groove has the best selection of rings on the internet, including here at Amazon. We have partnerships with the NFL, NCAA, Mossio, Cryptech. We have cool women's designs. We've got stackables. We got everything you need, basically besides a flamethrower. All right guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Keep grooving.